guys, welcome to my second weather briefing. And once again, I'll start off here with the surface analysis chart. And you can see the northern United States is dominated with mainly high pressure systems. That's going straight down towards Mexico, kind of bordered along with some low pressure right here, and in the southern United States, another low pressure system. The two high pressure systems are bringing their own cold fronts for each, and that's kind of making a bit of scattered precipitation along in here. We do have a larger area down here that we'll look at in the next couple slides as well. Right here in the satellite image, you can kind of see the systems that are bringing that precipitation. We got two main ones of focus right here, and then over the mountains west of us, right over here. Over North Dakota and Minnesota, though, it's pretty clear. And again, here's hail warnings all across here, and those are pretty scattered. And then a couple severe thunderstorm warnings, and those look like they're going to be more for later today, so that's more of a forecast issue. We seem to have the general summertime convective outlook. Most of the United States is a general warning, but if you are heading down into Wyoming, Nebraska, South Dakota, be advised there is a higher chance of thunderstorms down in that area today. Over the United States, there are no real SIGMETs. Over Canada, however, there's a tiny one for a thunderstorm warning within 10 nautical miles of this area. So heads up if you're heading that way. We do have a few air mets out in the United States, though. I'll focus on the ones around us. Yellow is going to be moderate turbulence below 12,000 feet. Those conditions will be continuing beyond 21 Zulu through 03 Zulu tomorrow. The red is ceiling below 1,000 feet with visibility below 3 standard miles. And those conditions will be going to 18 Zulu tonight. Icing, once again, pretty standard across the United States, 16,000 feet all over, except for actually above us, which is 12,000 feet. Looking at the local METAR data here, you can see at Grand Forks, we are about 10 knot wind at 66 degrees, and east of us, it gets a little bit windier and wind's coming straight out of the west, and then to the south, calms down a little bit, gets a little warmer, 77, 73 here, before we get into some MVFR conditions. So ceiling does, or visibility I should say, it does go down a little bit. And as you can see here, in our area of the United States, we have no precipitation to worry about at all until you get down south, southeast of these Great Lakes here. Later today, however, we do have a pretty likely chance of precipitation here on the East Coast and thunderstorms, and that's going to continue all the way around the mid-US until we get up into Wyoming and South Dakota, where there's a chance for severe thunderstorms. Looking now at the low-level chart for the next 12 hours, we can see east of us there's chance for moderate turbulence, and then even further east, we got some visibility issues that may come along with that precipitation. Other than that, though, freezing levels are expected to stay the same as we saw earlier today, 12,000 feet up by us and 16,000 feet over the rest of the United States. At the high level now, we can see that there is embedded cumulonimbus at up to 45,000 feet, and those are going to be embedded all along here, marked in red, and then up to 40,000 feet over here. For our local forecast, you can see conditions where we are going to stay pretty calm. Then to the southwest of us, you're going to see all these thunderstorm warnings, and that's from those severe thunderstorms that are forecasted later today. And for the TAF forecast, it's a lot of the same thing. Going to be good conditions, maybe a little gusty. It's reporting right here. Other than that, we got the MVFR down here, and off the chart over here in South Dakota. Just be careful if you're heading that way. And lastly, for the winds aloft forecast, you can see right above us, it's about 35 knots, and that's kind of just heading around that low pressure system, and that's going right back up into Canada. But as you go south, it's pretty calm as you get close to the high pressure, And across the rest of the United States, it's pretty calm up there at 10,000 feet. Well, that's it for today. Thank you.